Welcome back to Empowerment Nursing. I'm Linda and this is Ashley, and we are nurse educators. You are tuning into our series In the Know, where we make it simple. Today we are simplifying the empowerment difference. Who we are, what do we offer, what makes us completely different.
We invite you to subscribe to our live videos so you'll be notified whenever we're online. You can also subscribe to us on YouTube, like and share this video with your nursing friends, and be sure to follow our Facebook page and check out our website, www.n-powermentnursing.com, where you can experience our free trial, which is our entire cardiac chapter, and view our complete study packages. Now, we decided to do this Facebook Live on what makes empowerment different because often we get messages from students inquiring through our Facebook page, which we welcome you to message us anytime, asking us what makes us different from the rest. Why should they choose empowerment nursing over all of the other options out there? And how really do we achieve 100% satisfaction? That is 100% satisfaction and a 99% pass rate. That also includes repeat test takers, which you don't often see in terms of program statistics. So we decided to address that question just for the masses if you've been wondering about what makes empowerment nursing different from the rest. So we've created a side-by-side chart, and we're going to kind of go through what is out there and then what we offer that makes us different from everything else.
So to start with, the thing that we have noticed and that graduates have told us is that others promote fear. Other students have gotten messages that say more students than ever are failing the NCLEX, and that is not who we are.
Here at Empowerment Nursing, well, we kind of give it away with our name. Our name is N-Powerment Nursing. We empower students. We never use fear as any type of sales tactic. In fact, we teach students how to take their fear and use it in ways that can help their study process. It is our goal to take the fear completely out of your study process. We promote confidence and competence and self-assurance and emotional coaching. So we promote empowerment, and we never use fear as a sales tactic in any way. So we're very passionate about that.
Others don't focus on emotional readiness, and you really can't have success without it. It's just not addressed at all. There is no coaching. There is no strategy to study. You're really left alone to do that.
Here at Empowerment Nursing, emotional readiness is a huge focus of our program. We have entire portions of our textbook as well as videos on how to prepare for test day, what you need to do for test day. Are you ready for test day? We are on-call emotional coaches, professors of nursing, right? So straight A students often fail the registration exam, and that's because they're not emotional ready. So emotional readiness is something we know that you need based on our experience with thousands of graduates who have come to us be on their first attempt or their 7th or 8th attempt. Emotional readiness is a huge predictor of exam success. We have strategies, exercises that you do while you're writing the test, things you do before you go into the test. The day of, we send empowering messages the day of to help you in your emotional readiness. A lack of emotional readiness can absolutely ruin you. So we pay close attention to not allowing that to happen.
Other companies use questions as studying. Programs with test banks are not studying, as these questions are never going to be on the registration exam. Nobody knows what questions are going to be on the registration exam. So often other companies design their questions to fit a model that they have created. Mm-hmm. And so students take the test bank questions and are doing well, and then once they get into the registration exam, they realize, oh, these are not all like the questions in the program that I took, because the model doesn't work on the actual questions in the registration exam. Also, we have found that there's a purpose in you not doing well in some other programs, because if you aren't doing well, it instills fear, and that fear urges you to buy further and purchase further resources, right? So that is something as well that we don't do.
We use content as studying. If you're running questions before you study content, it can actually demean your confidence and make you even more afraid to write your registration exam. And even more so if you're using multiple test banks that aren't from reputable companies. Often they're not professors or educated individuals creating these test banks. And so it can actually lead you to the wrong answer because they're not valid, or you're using multiple resources that give you conflicting answers. The questions that we run on social media are from reputable resources according to what the correct answer would be on the NCSBN and CPNRE exams. You study content first and then you test your content knowledge through questions. Test questions alone will absolutely not prepare you to write your registration exam.
The next one is others give you content. This is true. Companies give you content, but then they don't interact with you. They don't teach it to you. They don't answer your questions. You really are on your own.
Mm-hmm. Here at NPowerment Nursing, we don't only give you the content in terms of everything you need to know. We then teach you that content. So be it in a live review when we bring your products with us to the review, or we ship your package to your front door, then you have access to our online videos and we teach you all of the content. We study with you. It's not your typical online learning that's boring and you're writing notes and pausing and writing notes and pausing. It's interactive. We use props, we draw, we use the most valid and up-to-date study techniques. And then we are an on-call professor through your entire study process. So when you message our Facebook page with any questions as you're studying, if you come across a practice question you don't understand the rationale, you can message us anytime. We definitely don't sell you a product and then abandon you. We stay with you throughout your entire study process, 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can send us questions absolutely anytime you have it, as well as emotional coaching.
You get a product from other companies. They are not nurses. Often they are an international company with no nursing background. There is no personal relationship. So you buy a product and then you're on your own.
Here at NPowerment Nursing, you get us. You get Linda and myself. We are both full-time professors of nursing. We're both master's level educated in terms of nursing education. Linda's about to finish up her PhD. So when you purchase NPowerment Nursing, you get us. We are professors of nursing. We teach this content as our full-time jobs. We're very highly educated. We care. We are the ones that answer your questions. Our whole program was inspired by students just like you. Your success is our own success, and we take your success very personally. So you're not just buying a product, you really are buying an experience, and you're purchasing yourself an on-call professor through your entire study process, be that for emotional coaching or for content.
And some companies, you get a component to study, so such as a video or a question bank or content. This is, or a book that they send you that you are on your own to read. There's no elaboration, there's no teaching, there's no storytelling.
Here at NPowerment Nursing, you get something comprehensive. So you get absolutely everything. You get the content that you need to know. You get the teaching to give you the critical thinking that you need to know. You get the emotional coaching to give you the confidence that you require. We really are a one-stop shop. A lot of students like to say, everything I needed, I got in your program. I didn't need to go anywhere else, study anything else, do anything else. So it really is comprehensive in what requirements there are to be successful.
And finally, there are companies that use false testimonials. They hire individuals to put false testimonials in forums, on Facebook, in blogs. If you try to go to their Facebook account, it doesn't exist. This is a common practice.
Unlike us, here at NPowerment Nursing, any testimony you see on our Facebook page, on our website, on our social media, on Instagram, anywhere you might come across content when it comes to us, those are all 100% real people, real graduates, real experiences. We do not edit those. All of the reviews on our Facebook page are authentic. We do not engage in the practice of false testimonies. We never have, and it's something we never will do because we have professional and honest integrity.
When we developed NPowerment Nursing, we wanted to be different. We wanted to promote confidence and emotional readiness. It's our goal to take the fear out of studying this process through and take you through the content, critical thinking, and with confidence.
We really hope that this comparison has helped highlight for you a little bit about what makes us different from the rest of the options out there. If you have any questions about our program, or you'd like to be referred to somebody who's taken our program to ask them about their experience, by all means send us a message. We can say everything we want to say, but nothing says it quite like the testimony of somebody who's experienced it. So we invite you to send your questions or comments at any time. And if you are looking to gain all of the confidence, content, and critical thinking you require to successfully complete your NCLEX, CPNRE, or NCLEX PN exam, we have a complete program just for you. We guarantee you will pass, or we will give you your money back. Thank you so much for joining us this week on In the Know, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.